Well, that's one of the missions that we started Udaan with, was to enable business growth for our retailers, existing ones or new ones. And so the way we help them is basically, it doesn't matter if you are in a tier 2 or a tier 3 town in India. Earlier, they used to get exposed to very limited selections, only what the regional wholesalers were getting to them, right? But with Udaan, we wanted to make sure that the entire catalog of Udaan is available to all these retailers across the country, and not just available in but being able to ship them all the products within 2 to 3 days of their ordering, giving them competitive prices. And there was a big gap in terms of that whenever these retailers used to visit these big mandis or shops, they had to buy in bulk, because that is how they were able to justify their shipping costs and all those things. Whereas because of Udaan being an online platform and because of economies of scale, we were able to allow them to order smaller. So that also will sort of help them reduce their working capital, and they can sort of invest that money in other growth areas and so on and so forth. There were multifold effects of how this would have led to a growth for the retailers. Yeah, I think so. We are an e-commerce platform. Any e-commerce platform anywhere in the world is mainly running on 2 to 3 technologies. There are multiple other technologies, but the large ones are internet is one big technology, mobile phones is another one, the smartphones, and then you have deep personalization through machine learning algorithms and whatnot. And you make what that enables you to do is you are able to expose the entire catalog. So there is ubiquity of goods that are being sold. So anybody can buy anything from anywhere. There is price discovery, right? So price is not being hidden anywhere. So price is available to everywhere, anytime, and you can order anytime, 24/7. So, and that's what we rely on also. So to be able to sort of run the entire business. Yeah, I think, see, we are an e-commerce platform, so we are not manufacturers of anything. We are mostly enabling trade between two parties, which is a manufacturer or a importer or a trader, to the retailers, right? Who are then going to sort of sell it to the end consumers. And so we are enabling that trade in general. And if somebody wants to get on board with us, for the retailer, it's pretty simple. You need to have some kind of a business validation, like if you have a GST certificate or any government issue certificates which certifies that you are a business, you can get onboarded within 24 hours of submitting those documents, and you can start doing business on the Udaan platform. From the sourcing perspective, it's a little more selective, because we want to make sure that we are offering high value, low cost products to our retailers. So there it is a lot more rigorous process. Unless you are already an established brand, there we are more than happy to have you onboarded. But other than that, it's, yeah, for the retailer it's pretty simple. Absolutely, yes. I think in today's day and age, unit economics is, one of the key areas for us, focus areas. I think ever since I think mid of 2021, that has been one of our key strategies. So instead of having mindless growth, we wanted to make sure that we are having a lot more conscious growth while being aware of our costs. So that's, I won't say that we have already achieved that, but we are well on the path towards unit economics. Yeah. See, the thing is, unicorn is a lot of, so unicorn is when we became a unicorn, right, it was, okay, what is the growth potential of this particular problem statement, right? What is the TAM? Who are the people who are executing this or running this or building this business? So what is their background, where they're coming from, and how is the growth trajectory looking in the short term? So the companies might want to take a bet on you, and you can drive higher valuation, but the environment has to be conducive for that. I think back in the day, it is very hard to become a unicorn right now in 2023, but back in 2021, it was anybody could, with small, with a good potential, you would immediately become a unicorn. I think we are primarily a technology company, right? there's a E in front of our commerce, which is electronic commerce. And I think our entire go-to market or our entire pitch is that we will make the way trade happens in India better by leveraging technology, and that is the entire premise of our existence. So yes, so the answer to your question is absolutely yes, and I think we want to be on the forefront of any technological innovation that happens within this country, especially when it comes to the B2B trade that happens.